Mbabe Mlotshwa lo mephambi kwenu
Standing before you is Babu Mlotshwa,
indoda leyabona simanga nayiqala kufika kuleli bandla
a man that saw miracles when he first came to this church.
lathi silapha ithuthukana umfundisi wakhuluma ngendaba yemlilo
When we were in Tutugani, Pastor Nxumalo spoke about fire.
wathi asithubele umlilo emakhaya
He said we should send fire in our
7
homes.
times
Gaskombis.
ngafika ekhaya
And I got home.
ngabathi ngene ethayilong umlilo
When I entered the dining room, there was fire.
ekameleni umlilo
Even in the bedroom, there was
ekitchen
fire.
umlilo
Kitchen is fire.
mina eqobo lwami umlilo
I am fire myself.
edolobheni emalophothini umlilo
In the robots in town, I am fire.
yebazalwane from there
Kusukela
amangala ukuthi
lapho,
kanti kumnandi kangaka uhlala ebukhoneni benkosi
I really enjoyed the presence of the Lord.
ube ngibabe lo nyathela ukuthi ba
And be a father who steps, when he steps, he says, ba, ba, ba.
hayi babe loguquka abe boyfriend
Not a father who tends to be a boyfriend.
bazalwane ngibabhlungu ngoba isikhathi suke sibe sincane kuningi lokufakazi nginabo ngoba namanje lekhaya kamje kuyaphambana bomakoti ngiyamangala sikwendeka ngoba phela akusi
There are a lot
December
of testimonies that I have, but in my house, I could see a lot of brides who are coming.
besijwayele lapha kubo December September October kuyali
We are used
manje
to December, October going down.
manje solumfundisa nyathela lapha kulela khaya I'm
Ever
telling
s-
you
Ever since Ubab Nxumalo stepped into our home, ngiyakutshela.
the devil is a liar
Usathane unamanga.
God bless you
uNkulunkulu anibusise.